So a lot of you loyal subscribers of mine know that I absolutely love the blueprint color on my wife's RAV4 hybrid, and I told her, because I'm in the market for a Tundra like this, if blueprint comes out on the 2022 Tundra, it's going to be hard to turn down. Well, it's right there, and it looks absolutely incredible. Let's get into this one. So hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. This 2022 Toyota Tundra Platinum Crew Max with the 6.5 foot bed is in blueprint color paint. It looks absolutely incredible, and not only that, but the interior of this new Platinum is just to the next level. So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you a quick little overview of the outside of this Platinum, some of the key features it has as opposed to other Tundra models that I've been seeing at this event, and then we'll take a deep dive into the beautiful new interior of the Platinum trim Tundra. So like I mentioned, guys, this blueprint paint color, new to the Tundra model line, but not new to Toyota. It is a very nice blue color with some hints of purple in it, depending on how the light hits you. So in this studio light, I mean, you've got a mix of white, yellow light. It looks like a very rich blue. Some scenes, this truck will look a little bit purple, but for the most part, this color looks absolutely great on this truck. This is a Platinum, so the new 2022 Tundra is a little bit lower than the outgoing model, as you guys can see, due to airflow, due to trying to get better gas mileage, but the truck is lower. If you don't like it lower, lift the truck up, put some bigger tires on it. It'll look absolutely stunning. But this truck has painted rear bumpers, has the Tundra logo embossed into the tailgate of the truck. It says Toyota right here. Little button, lower the tailgate, composite bed, 6.5 foot bed, a proper bed for a truck. No more tiny bed truck in the Crew Max form, but as you see, I opened that, this little kick out step came down, get up into the bed of this Tundra, and it's freaking awesome. Huge room back here to do anything you want. Composite bed, reinforced with aluminum as well. It is a very slippery bed because they put a bunch of shine on these trucks, but it is a very nice bed. And then getting out of it, super simple. Down, close up the tailgate. What? And then if you want the tailgate to lower, let's say you have a cooler or something like that in your hands, you're out at the river, doing whatever you do, you have a cooler, you're carrying it. See this light right here has a little bump. Bump it, tailgate will come down. That little foot lever comes down as well. Man, that thing's actually, that's pretty solid actually. So, very cool little trick. Other than that, no other trick stuff to the tailgate because the engineer said that stuff will fail. They don't want the Tundra to fail. They want it to be great. Another cool thing back here too, guys, is you will notice kind of the spoiler little spot right here in the back of the tailgate, and then also how the back of the cab comes back a little further with these cab lights. That's for airflow as well. So with this back window that rolls all the way down, with this airflow, the engineer said that air will pass the Tundra 20% better. And also with that, if you have any trash, anything like this in the bed of your truck, you know that's the worst thing when you roll down all the windows in your Crew Max and crap to go inside the truck. They said that they've alleviated that in this truck, and that's a very, very cool thing. Coming down to the driver's door of the Tundra, we have nice paint cap matched mirrors, and also Platinum reads down here for the Tundra as well. The motor option in this truck is the iForce Max. This is the hybrid motor for this Tundra. It is the 3.5 liter. Made it to a hybrid system in this truck to give you almost 600 pound-feet of torque, which is absolutely crazy. Coming down to the front too, you guys can see the LED lights right here. This will light up as well, and then also you have sequential turn signals in the front end. And then the Platinum honeycomb style grille just looks amazing with this truck. Personally, I would paint match this if it was mine, and then I would leave the chrome of the grille and it would look good. The blue around here also helps indicate that it is a Toyota hybrid product, and you can see that with this and knowing that it is the hybrid powertrain with the iForce Max in it. But the blue with the blueprint looks really good together. But enough, automatic steps. Enough talking about the hood and motor. Let's see this motor. Oh, easy, there it is. Open it up, and here is the iForce Max motor. So this is what we were teased, guys. You could see in that teaser, we had 3 little valve looking things. So yes, it is a V6, 3.5 liter. And then you have all the hybrid stuff over here. Those were electric cables coming from the hybrid components as well. So all like we thought in those leaks is all here in this engine bay. Pretty big engine bay, actually. You got the dual air intakes, one here, one over there for the 2 turbochargers, and that follows down here too, kind of like I predicted, functional air vents. So you have functional air vents in this truck down here on the side to help channel in air to the 2 turbochargers that power this powertrain. So getting inside the Tundra, guys, assume it's gonna be keyless entry, keyless unlock, lock. I mean, it's a Platinum and it's 2022, but open the door, nice automatic steps that come down. Go ahead and get inside. Ooh, those are some comfy seats in this truck. So getting into the truck, shutting it up. Studio lighting is not the best in here. Roll up these windows. Wow, this is a nice interior. So we have simulated, oh wait, no, that's not simulated, that's legit. We got the rear camera right here for the truck. So the rear camera that's on the top of the cab will show right here. So if you have something in the back seat right here and you're not able to see out, you have the simulated rear view mirror. Huge, 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 huge 14-inch screen. Very large 12-inch infotainment screen right here. Guys, this interior is freaking incredible. Oh my gosh. You got nice little soft touch right there. You got like a nice little soft opening right there to show your cup holders. Very nice wireless charging. Shifter right here, tow haul mode. This has the air ride suspension in the rear. Also has all your trailer function as well. We will get more into that when I get to test drive these vehicles and tow with this truck. But essentially these trucks have an auto sensing feature. So it'll fill up airbags if you need to. If you want to manually do it, you can manually fill up the airbags in the back. The truck knows when it's towing a trailer. It knows how to help you back up a trailer. It is a very, very cool system that they've integrated into this truck. They've put a lot of tech into this thing, right? But they still allowed it to be a truck, which I absolutely love. Coming down to the center console as well, we have a little slidey port right here. Slide that open, massive console. You don't want that, you just want something else. You have this right here for the console, put some change in it, something like that, credit cards, wallet. Then also, you have this to access just the cavernous Tundra console. Huge, absolutely incredible. Very nice interior of this truck. The seats are so comfortable. And this thing being the hybrid, it's basically going to drive itself. Huge crew max, you know, so the seats in the back are good. But with this too, you get a functional rear bed. You get a functional 6.5 foot bed. Favorite feature about the Tundra, roll down rear window, roll it up. Got the shade, and you got the shade and everything. And also, if you notice on this Platinum, everything is a dark interior. So on the Pro, it had a white top, and people are like, oh, why is the headliner white and everything? Well, all trim levels, guys, as I said, you know, wait for certain trim levels to come out. They may surprise you. And here we are with this stunning Platinum interior, all dark in here. It looks really, really good. So also with this interior, you notice some blue stitching to help match the paint color on the outside. Not sure if they are going to match whatever paint color that they have with the truck with the interior, or if there will only be select options for the Platinum paint color wise. But you have nice blue stitching, and with these perforated seats, you can kind of tell you got a little bit of blue in it. Like, look at these little blue specks. Very, very nice of an interior. Look at this seat. Absolutely crazy. So you have, what? Right? Little leg support here, forward, back, tilt, you know, lumbar support, everything, multi-directional. Absolutely awesome. Super, super, super comfortable seats. Holy crap, this is a road trip truck. And then coming back to the rear end as well, this is where all the batteries are housed for all the hybrid model Tundra. So you do sit up a little higher in the back, but getting into it, still have a lot of room back here. So 5'11", legs are able to go out a little bit. That was in a, to me, a very comfortable driving position. Like, I probably would have drove, maybe scoot the seat forward a little bit, but heated and cooled rear seats. Very awesome to have in the Tundra. Very nice feature. And I am sitting up a little high because of these battery packs, but I still have a little bit of room to the ceiling. Obviously, having the panoramic glass, it's going to bring down the roof a little bit, and then adding in addition to that, the battery packs underneath you kind of brings you up just a little bit. So I am close, but if you have just, kids back here, smaller people, whatever. Cup holders, really nice. Super solid truck. Super solid truck. So coming to the back of this Platinum 2, you will notice sunshades. What? Your peasant blockers. You can window tint it too, but these sunshades are a very nice feature to have for your rear occupants. I'm sure that they would like that a lot. So just lift it up, hooks up. Don't want any more. Back down, good to go. So there you have it, guys. Let me know what you think of the 2022 Toyota Tundra Platinum. Very nice features with this truck. Some additional features that are highly welcomed with it. The air suspension in the rear, iForce Max engine, heated, cooled rear seats of this truck, panoramic moonroof. The list goes on and on and on. There's so many goodies in these new Tundras, but those are just some key things that I noticed about this truck and that they talked about. And again, how about that blueprint color? So, guys, if you are new around here, definitely consider subscribing. Returning subscribers, as always, I appreciate your guys' support, and I will catch you in the next video. All right, see you later.